Hi gadget lovers, my name is Bongani Sithole. Today I'll be unboxing the new entry-level phone from Nokia, the Nokia 105 5th generation Africa edition. So let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, we have the charger and the removable battery. The long-lasting removable battery life one expects from Nokia device remains a key feature. The 105 promises 12 to 15 hours talk time and 18 days on standby. Well, now let me put the battery and switch it on. The Nokia 105 has a built-in FM radio. The cell phone acts as an FM wireless radio without the need for earphones, but it still has the earphone jack if you want to listen privately. It is on. The Nokia 105 also has a built-in flashlight, which can be used as a torch in the dark. Nokia also claims the 105 has a scratch and bump resistant exterior.